Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name's Kevin. Today I want to show you guys a beautiful product, this smart dimmer switch by TECKIN. This TECKIN smart dimmer switch model number is SR46. You can get this product on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below. This costs about $20 American or just a little over $30 Canadian when it's on sale. The maximum wattage of this switch can handle of each bulb is illustrated on the box. For incandescent bulbs, it can handle maximum of 430 watts, LED bulbs 250 watts, and compact fluorescent light bulbs maximum of 250 watts. This smart dimmer is compatible with iPhones and Android. Just have to download the Smart Life app. Here are the following features of this dimmer: touch dimming, intelligent dimming, voice control, device sharing, mechanical on and off switch, and control by the app. This is only a single pole switch. Input volts is 120, AC is at 60 Hz, wireless frequency controlled by Wi-Fi. This is regular Wi-Fi signal, 2.4 GHz. The neutral wire is needed, and it's a standard wireless connection, 802.11 BGN, and it comes with 12 months of warranty. Okay, let's check this out. Comes with screws and morettes. Smart dimmer switch user manual. In English. A nice plate cover. Matte finish. The width of this box is about 1 3/4 inch, and the depth is about 1 and 3/8 inches. Feels very nice. Premium product. Nice push button to it. Before installing the smart dimmer, you want to locate inside your house a switch that is single pole that you want to replace it with the smart dimmer. As you can see, I have already started removing the switch cover and starting the process of removing the switch. The next step is removing the wires. If you don't feel safe working with electricity, be sure to turn off the breaker. I now have removed the switch. Now we have to verify which is the power side, the line side, and which is the load side, which the load side will be your lights. So I know this side is the power side or line side, and this is my load. The load will not shock me, but if I touch this side, I will get electrocuted. only if the breaker is still on. This is very easy to install. It even tells you which wire is which, so you know where it goes. You should connect these wires in this specific order if you are doing this live and did not turn off your breaker. Ground the box with the ground wire. Next, you want to splice the white wire. Now, the load side. This is my load. And lastly, the line wire. Be sure that no copper is showing past the moret. If any of them is past, it's not safe. You should trim it down and re-put on the moret so that no copper is showing. Now, as you can see, the switch is fully on and functioning. So if I press a button, the lights should turn on. And it did. Now it's time to tuck in all the wires and put the switch back in place. You can put a level next to your box just to make sure it's level if you're picky. Now the switch is on. Now we can put the faceplate on. Just clips on like that. Voila, beautiful. This dimmer is a touchpad. You just have to slide your finger up and down. Slide it up if you want the intensity of your light brighter. If you want the light to be lower, dimmer, so let's just slide it down. The last dot indicating the lowest intensity, which is 20% of the light. And if you click or press the last dot, which makes the light 100% intensity. Now right now the light, I set it at 100%, which is the last dot highlighted. If I press this button off, the intensity, what remain is 100%. So the last setting used was 100%. If I press this button on again, it should go back to 100%. And it's 100% intensity. Now if I change the setting back to middle, and I turn it off, it should stay in the middle. The settings are memorized. So if I turn it back on, the intensity is 50%, still 50%. Now I'm going to do the lowest setting, 20%. And I turn it off, and it should stay 20%. So the ranges of intensity of the light is dimmable from 20% to 100%. It's hard to tell in daytime. I'm going to download and install this app called Smart Life. If this is your first time using this app, you will have to register. If not, you can just log in. Now I want to add my smart dimmer on my smartphone through the Smart Life app. Once you have it installed and registered, click Add Device, scroll down and add dimmer switch. Now here it asks you to log into your Wi-Fi and enter your username and password. Once you have logged into your Wi-Fi, now it asks you to turn on the device. So I'm turning it on. Now you can see the blinking. It's blinking pretty fast. Now I want to hold down the button for about 5 seconds. Now it's slowly blinking. You want to click confirm the indicators. It's slowly blinking. And check mark that box and click next. Now I want to connect to Smart Life. So here it is, Smart Life, and I click it. Now it's connecting. Now the device is going to pair with my cell phone. Now this is the process of pairing right now. And you can rename the device if you like. I'm just going to keep it as is and press done. Now we are able to turn the switch or light on and off. Now it's off. Now it's on. Now I'm going to scroll the intensity to maximum, 100%. See, it's at 100%. Now I'm going to scroll it back down to minimum, and the dot should be at the last level. See? This does not do anything. So seeing just changes the brightness level of the light. You can add your own scene at a different setting of brightness if you like. Now I'm going to turn it off. I can even add my own schedule. Let's click this. I can even have it to turn on or off, or set as at a specific time for light to turn on or off. You can select different days. Like if you want Sunday to be all off or all on the full day, you can change it. You can just add it in your schedule on how you want the light to be. So with this app, you can do family sharing. You have many users controlling this dimmer switch. This smart dimmer works with Amazon Alexa and Google Home. Unfortunately, I won't be able to show you guys that because I don't have either of them. Let's test out the app. There are 3 ways to turn on the lights. There's this button over here, and another button on over here, and one more over here. Now there's a brightness indicator from 0 to 100%. This is the dimmer part where you slide the bar. As I slide it towards to the right, it gradually gets brighter. Now this is up to 100% brightness. Now as I slide it down towards 0, it'll get dimmer. Another way to set the brightness is through here. Similar idea. Very easy to use. The green light on its dimmer stays on 24/7 unless the lights are turned on. When the lights are turned on, the green light disappears and now it is white. Now if I turn the lights back off, the green light appears back on. This TECKIN Smart Dimmer Switch will make a positive addition to your smart home. Wouldn't you like to control your lights from anywhere around the world and at any time? And even have a set schedule to have it on and off? And you can have multiple members controlling the same light, not only you. This also has a nice feature that can be controlled by voice command through Amazon Alexa or Google Home. Not many smart dimmer switch can do all these. If you guys are interested in getting this product, please visit the links in the description below. Thank you for watching my video. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Peace out until next time.